All right, guys, time for our Gold Rush football jersey. Appreciate you guys helping fill and claim some of those unsold teams. So we are filled up now, and here is the rundown of these. This is a brand new series that just released. So the first box break that we're doing of this from Series 5. Ton of big names. You got Patrick Mahomes. You've got Tom Brady as a Tampa Bay Bucks. And then you've got a ton of the rookies. Justin Herbert's in this. Tua is in this. And then some others as well. So a ton of big names. So here is the rundown. Anthony O with the Colts. Carl's got the Steelers. Christopher W with the Eagles. Donnie's got the Texans, Jags, Rams, and Vikings. Grant, you've got the Chiefs, the Raiders, the Dolphins, and the Jets. Lance with the Cowboys, Lions, and Patriots. Matt W with the Giants, the Bears, and the Packers. Matthew F with the Titans. Richard D with the Bengals and Redskins. And then Rick M, you've got the Cardinals, Bills, Panthers, Broncos, Chargers, Saints, 49ers, Seahawks, and the Tampa Bay Bucks. Hey, I'd be all right with Kittle. That's not a bad name. Alright, I don't know what team this is. It's going to be a Terrell. Maybe this is the Falcons. Beckett's certified. Maybe AJ Terrell. I think that's their rookie. Let's double check and make sure. So it is Beckett authenticated. WD 40432. All right, yeah, it is AJ Terrell, and that is an Atlanta Falcon. So that'll be a Falcons hit. Not bad there. See if it's a custom, probably a custom jersey. It is a custom jersey. All right, so we'll get that jersey in the mail tomorrow. Maybe he'll turn out to be pretty good. Got a ton of bigger names than that, though, in this series, so we'll try again next weekend. So you guys go check out those team auctions that are on eBay now. They'll end Saturday. We'll break it here next Sunday.